Good day, ma'am. My name is Emily Dulyantes, and now I'm going to discuss to you my assigned topic, which is human flourishing in terms of science and technology and technology of Poiesis applicable in the modern technology. Human flourishing in terms of science and technology in Poiesis applicable in the modern technology. When we hear human flourishing, it come up in our mind about human development, about talent, abilities, and so on. So, let's start the discussion. So, what is human flourishing? Well, human flourishing, aside from human development, is human flourishing is an effort to achieve self-actualization and fulfillment within the context of a larger community of individuals with the right to pursue his or her own such effort. Human flourishing also involves the rational use of one's individual human potentialities, including talents, abilities, virtues, in the pursuit of his freely and rationally chosen values and goals. Human civilization and the development of science and technology, human person as both the barrier and beneficiary of science and technology, human flourishing and finds meaning in the world that he or she must be treated as part of human life that needs reflective and meditative thinking. Also, human flourishing is both the optimal continuing development of human beings, potentials and living well as a human being, which means being engaged in relationships and activities that are meaningful, aligned with both the own values and humanistic values in a way that is satisfying to them. But what is flourishing? We all know that when we talk about human, it's about people, but what is flourishing? So, flourishing is not a sensation or experience, but a state of being. It results from participating in activities that allow one to express their potential and produce that potential. That is flourishing. But according to Aristotle's opinion, in human flourishing in terms of science and technology, according to Aristotle, he believed that human flourishing requires a life that other people's. Aristotle thought that people acquire virtues through practice and that a set of concrete virtues could lead a person towards his natural excellence of and happiness. But a German philosopher named Martin Heidegger and a seminal thinker in a continental traditional of philosophy, widely acknowledged to be one of the most original and important philosopher of the 20th century, Heidegger's view on technology was he strongly opposes the view that technology is a means to an end or human activities. These two approaches, which he called respectively and the instrumental and anthropological definition, are indeed correct but do and are built and operated by human beings. But the essence of technology is something else in technology. So what is technology? According to Heidegger, technology must be understood as a way of revealing. Revealing is his translation of the Greek word allotheian. Allotheian, which means to discover. So how the science and technology contribute to human flourishing. Technology changes us and the world around us in a countless ways. It eases our labor, cure diseases, provides abundant food and clean water, enables communication and travel across the globe, and expand our knowledge of the natural world and the cosmos. Technology of Poiesis applicable in the modern technology. Let's start the discussion with this. So what is Poiesis? Poiesis means revealing or bringing something into existing that did not exist before. I think that this is a very useful way to look at technology in our modern technology world. But according to Heidegger, Poiesis is refers to it as bringing forth. Using his term in its widest sense, he explained Poiesis is the blooming of the blossom, the coming out of the butterfly from cocoon, the plummeting of a waterfall when the snow begins to melt. That is what Poiesis according to Martin Heidegger. So how does modern technology apply the idea of Poiesis? The idea of Poiesis applied to modern technology. This truth has everything to do with the essence of technology because technology is means of revealing the truth. Modern technology, however, differs from the Poiesis. In framing means that way of revealing that holds sway in the essence of modern technology and that it is itself not technological. Also, Poiesis is etymologically derived from the ancient Greek term poios. Poios means to make, or it is related to the word poetry, which shares the same root. That is the other word or other meaning of poiesis. But before to end this discussion, I would like you to introduce what is science and technology means. Science and technology studies is an interdisciplinary field that examines the creation, development, and consequences of science and technology in their historical, cultural, and social context. However, science means also encompasses the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation and experiment, and technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. So that is what science and technology means. And why science and technology is very important to our world or to us people. Well, science and technology have introduced us to the establishment of the modern civilization. Okay? Modern civilization means this development contributes greatly to almost every aspect of our daily life. Okay, daily life. So technology, science and technology have a very big impact to our daily life because we live in the universe, in this world, with a modern technology. Well, this is the end of my discussion, which is my assigned topic about human flourishing in terms of science and technology, technology of Poiesis applicable in the modern technology. Thank you for listening and God bless you. Once again, my name is Emily Deliantes. Thank you very much.